If you are still manually checking your competitor's website every morning to see if they undercut you or not, you're simply wasting your time. So the thing is, I built a system that does spying for you. So it watches their product, detects price drops, and alerts you instantly. So you can match or beat their offer before you lose a sale. And here the best part is once you set it up, it runs completely on autopilot. So we have a data table for it. These are the fields, name and the URL and the price. And it was simply created on n8n itself. So let me just explain the workflow. So it will runs every single day, and obviously we can change this thing, and we will get the competitor details. We simply created a data table for it, and we simply use this for scraping the account for scraping our competitor's website. Sometimes our competitor or our requirement was also on top of Amazon, right? So it really had it. And the output was cleaned and extracted. You know, the prices will get extracted over here with this JavaScript node. And, there will be a if node which simply, checks is there any difference in pricing, in the old price. And it will simply updates the latest price if and only if there is any, price change. And then also it will send us a Telegram message. So let's just see. Have a look. It's just for good, as simple as that. That's it for today.